Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And I'm thinking I will probably link this underneath the video. It doesn't even have a mark on it. Wow, I loved it that much. Well, I'm going to put some black paint on here. And I might put some gold on here too. And then, depending on whether I have the right amount or too much, I will scrape it off. I'm going to attempt to leave some of this paint behind and create some negative space. In order to do that, I'm going to have to take some of the paint off I've got on my spatula. Let's see, where's the rest of it? There we go. I just tried to dump that. I know if it's too heavy, I can't scrape through it. One more little bit needs to go away. I think that should be fine. I actually like that better than the other painting. Okay, so these are my tools. They should be linked under the video. Let's see, one more little bit. I have a studio rag that is made from a turtleneck. It's still damp enough for me to knock this off. But I'm going to tap it off first. I have different size tines or spaces. Oh, I'm going to like this. I know I'm going to like this. I have two different tools. Spread that one out a little bit. Fake in another stripe, maybe. Okay, so I don't want to go overboard. I've got some nice fat stripes. Right there. And right there. Cool! I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I said I was going to try and leave some negative space, and so I should. Wow, there's like a lump of paint right there. So far, I'm still happy. I have a little tiny tool too. A little tiny. Let's take some of that right off of there. Even if it's with my finger. I use my smaller tool. How much fun is that? Come on. And since it's dry canvas, I can wipe off anything I don't really like. I'm pretty happy with that, I have to say. I don't know that I need much else. So, I'm good. Thank you guys for tuning in. I post 7 days a week at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm going to cover up a couple little lines while the paint is nice and wet. I don't think I need anything else, but you've heard me say that before, and then I go ahead and do something, so you'll understand if I do a little dab. There we go. All right, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, begging for a thumbs up, asking you to share my videos. When you watch them longer, you help my channel survive. Really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for the donations and the kind words. They keep my morale boosted. If you would like to be somebody who is in the monthly drawing, you want to see the prizes for the monthly drawing, check out the exhibition video on the end screen of this video. I've got extra black paint and I can go around and touch up and match up the places where the black is. Anyway, I'm so happy with this. I don't know if it's as good from every angle, but it seems like it is. It's stunning by comparison. The other one was, it was okay. It was a good experiment at the time. I'll have to look it up and mark it NA, no longer available. Thank you guys for shopping my Amazon link. It's on the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video. You will probably find the link to the tutorial video for making the spatula head toothy tools above it. You'll find my email address below it if you're interested in purchasing an artwork, or if you'd like to take a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and you want to inquire, please use my email address. It's easpb, my initials, gallery, the word spelled out, at gmail.com. easpbgallery spelled out at gmail.com. Brain fart. If you have questions, please ask. If you're looking for my community board, it's on my YouTube channel and it will show you tomorrow's video. I have over 2,200 videos and they're organized by topic and genre, and I would love to help give you a link if you can't find what you're looking for. When you go to my channel, go to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, and when you give up, ask me. I will help you. I'm happy to help you. I did say I gave lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. On my link tree, you will find legalist clothing made in Montreal. Beautiful stuff. Investment quality. And you'll also find my brand new Society 6 store full of chock-a-block, just full of magnificent, really cool stuff. I have chosen some really hot patterns and some of my favorite artworks. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Look at my spring clothing also. That's what you see under the video. That's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me and I will add it wherever, if I can, to wherever I can. My paint pouring recipe, I almost forgot, is underneath the video, and so is my cell activator recipe. So if you would like to have that, just open show more and you'll find it. I don't know what I'm forgetting. I will torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, but I don't really believe there are any. And I'm awfully happy that you guys joined me. That right there was bugging me. Well, now it's bugging me more because it looks like an eye. It's got to go. That's all there is to it. There. Now we're good. I love you guys. Bye for now. See you anon. Priscilla out.